So we've got a statistics and probability question that asks us the mean of 6 numbers is 18. 5 of the numbers are 10, 15, 17, 20, and 25. So they ask us what is the 6th number? And they tell us that the mean of 6 numbers is 18. So try to pause this on your own and figure this out. All right, so we are given 5 of the numbers, and they say the mean of 6 numbers is 18. We want to find the 6th number. So let's call the 6th number x. And the mean is just the average of all the numbers. It's the average. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. No pun intended, mean. So 10, we're going to just add 10 plus 15 plus 17 plus 20 plus 25. And we're going to also add our 6th number, which is x, right over here. And this should be over the number of numbers. And the number of numbers that we have is 6, the mean of 6 numbers. So that's going to be 6. So that's going to be equal to, we are told it is equal to 18. So now all we have to do is just solve for x. That's the 6th number. That's the one we want. So let's do this. So first off, we're going to multiply both sides by 6 to cancel out the 6 because this is divided by 6. We're going to multiply this by 6 and multiply this by 6. And so this cancels out, and you are left with 10 plus 15 plus 17 plus 20 plus 25 plus x equals 18 times 6, which if we do it to the side, maybe we'll do it here, 18 times 6, you get 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10, so that's 108, so this is equal to 108. And now we could have just add up all these, so all of this is going to be equal to, well, let's see, 10 plus 15, this is 25, this is 25. 17 plus 20 is 37, and this is 25. So let's see. 25 plus 25, that's 50 plus 37. 50 plus 37 is 87. So 87 plus x is equal to 108. So now we could just subtract 87 on both sides, and you get that x is equal to 108 minus 87. If we just do that, that would be 21. 21. So our 6th number, which is x, which we called x, is 21. And that's it.